Getting started with Activity 4. Step 1, you're going to open your Activity 4 workbook in your Computer Science 7 folder. So to do this, we're going to go to My Apps in our OneDrive. And for you, you're going to open your Computer Science 7 folder. But for this example, I'm going to open Aiden's folder so you can see what it looks like. So in your Computer Science 7 folder, you have an Activity 4 workbook. In that Activity 4 workbook, you will find the link to the website you need to do your career research. In order to click on the link, you need to click on the first box that the link is in, which is C2. This will bring you to the Occupational Outlook Handbook. Here is where you're going to choose 5 careers. And let's go back to the assignment. Once you check on a career, you're going to need to find the job title, the salary for that career, and the job outlook. So going back to the website, I'm going to choose Reading and Librarian. And here you'll find a summary of information. So for the salary, we're going to use the median pay and the amount per year. So in this case, it would be $59,050 per year. So what is Job Outlook? You can just click on this question mark, and it will tell you that the Job Outlook is the projected % change in employment from 2018 to 2028. The average growth rate for all occupation is 5%. So anything higher than 5% means it's above average. Anything lower or negative means that the growth rate is below the average. You'll also notice you can scroll down and get more information about the job you chose. So once you're on the site, again, I'm going to repeat, you need to fill out your chart. And again, this can be either on the paper that I gave you or on a plain piece of paper.